Hi there and welcome to 3 Steve, and today we'll be looking at my signal and points control box. So using this program from Arduino and an Arduino Nano computer board plus a servo driver, you're able to control several servos. Now this actual bit of software that's written out has come from another very useful YouTube video by Frontington and Backwoods Railway, and the actual guy who runs it provides the software in the description. So you can change the range of motion of the servo arm by changing the third and fourth figures, i.e. in A 455 and 473, and you can change the speed by making the 100 figure larger, which will make the point motor move more slowly, I believe. So when you're actually marrying it up to your set of points, then you need to adjust those figures to actually make them work. For a list of components and more insight into how this all works, I'd also recommend visiting Little Wicket Railway, which is another YouTube channel and has a lot of information on this, and I'll leave a link to that as well in the description. So the box is from a craft shop called The Works and cost about £5. And I've just varnished it up to make it look nice, and then the fitted switches to the top. I'm sure the negatives are all wired common, and the positives go to the little expansion board, which is under the Arduino Nano. So inside is an Arduino Nano expansion board linked to a servo driver. So all the actual points and signals will run off of the servo driver, whereas the switches run off the expansion board and the Arduino. So I just close it up and we'll just try it out. So if I click the first switch, you should see it moves one of the servo motors, and the servo arm moves. Sure you can see it from there. Let me do that again. There you go, there it moves. And then you move on to the next one, switch 2, and then obviously press that again and it moves. And the third one is an interesting one because it's, I'm just going to move that again just to show you. There you go. So pick the third one up. This is actually for a signal. So it's got a little bit of bounce on it. So it doesn't just move, it has a little bit of a kick to it as well. So when it moves the signal has some bounce, which is a rather nice feature of the way it's been programmed. So the cables for the little mini transformer which power the servo board and the Arduino come out the back, as do the cables that go to the servos. And I should be able to just sort of place it in a bracket near my railway. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you all on the next one. Bye.